So, as most of you do not know, this is my dirt bike. It is a 2002 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke. I bought this bike used in 2008 or 2009. I don't remember. It was February, I know that. I traded my 2000 Honda XR80 and $1,200 for it, I believe. It was in a lot nicer shape then. But as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. It's been sitting here for probably 2 weeks now at least. Since I've had it, I've had to completely rebuild it because it just completely blew up. The antifreeze started coming through the water pump and going in, and it mixed with the gear oil, and it just got hot and the piston shattered. And that seized the crank to the rod, and it just became a whole predicament. And that cost, I think it was $700 or something. So it has Pro Circuit header with expansion pipe. I think it's it's the Platinum series. And I don't know if this is a Pro Circuit silencer or not. It's not marked, but it has a nice, good sound to it. It might start to need repack now because I've never done it. It has boys and reeds, if you can see in there. Applied triple clamps with Pro Taper, Easton bars. Besides that, and the graphics, which the half of the Bud Light fell off on the other side, so I only got half the graphics on there now. Besides that, it's pretty much all stock. Internally, everything's just stock sizes with newer stuff. So, but I'm gonna do a cold start for you guys, and I'll show you my old piston, crank, and rod. So here's the decent side of the piston. Still looks okay. It's not completely cracked off. I mean, it's bad, of course, but then you take a look at this side, and yeah, I'd say it's safe to say that it shattered. It a little more than shattered, grenaded. And before these bearings were taken out, they were completely full of metal from the piston, and the crank. It has scores on it. Everything was all scored from the piston. So, yep, here's a cold start. So, this cold start, it hasn't been started in a couple weeks. The pipe is completely cold. There's nothing to hide. I'm going to turn the choke on and give it a couple, not hard kicks, just to get the feel for it. I'm going to try and get it started here. So we'll see what happens. So the bike is not warmed up yet, but I'm gonna get it warmed up. But as you can see, it started pretty easy. Gonna take it for a little ride. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.